25 morning habits to change your life. Number 1. Put your alarm clock away from your bed so you have to get up to turn it off. Number 2. Wake up at the same time every day, so your body gets used to it. Number 3. Wake up at a time that gives you plenty of time before you have to leave the house. As soon as you have to start rushing around, you feel worse. Number 4. Have something fantastic to wake up for each day. This doesn't have to be anything big, but has to be something that you love doing. Kids get up easily each day because they are genuinely excited about what's in store. If you can do one thing every day that makes you happy, you'll be a lot more likely to want to get out of bed more easily. Number 5. Smile as soon as you wake up. Force the positivity if you are struggling with it. Your body can't always tell whether you mean it or not. Number 6. Drink a glass of water before you do anything else. Some people love warm water with fresh lemon. Number 7. Have some quiet time just to get yourself ready for the day, ideally before anyone else is up. Number 8. Make your bed. This just sets you up for the day really well, and you won't be tempted to get back in it, or is that just me? Number 9. Open the windows. As soon as you can, get some fresh air and light into your home. This will wake you up and make you feel great. Even in winter this works really well, but obviously close them again quite quickly. Number 10. Let the kids have some responsibility. You don't have to do it all every morning. Kids can get their own mornings sorted from a young age if they are allowed to try it. Start to prompt them with times and they will soon get used to doing more themselves, which will make your mornings much less stressed. Having a morning routine written out for them would work really well. Number 11. Put some lively music on. This is a great trick, especially if like me you love to sing. Having a playlist of your favorite happy tunes will really get you in the mood for a good day. Dancing to the music will also tick off the exercise as well. Number 12. Read through your schedule for the day. Wherever you write it down, check what you have got coming up in your day, then you'll know what's coming and mentally prepare for the day ahead. Number 13. When you have looked at your schedule for the day, then you can add in any to-dos that would fit into the rest of your time. Making sure you look at your to-do list each day will mean you are more likely to actually get them done and take them off the list. Number 14. Get in touch with your feelings. Whatever our days look like, there is some flexibility in our schedules. Yes, some things have to be done at set times, but others can easily be moved around. It therefore makes perfect sense to work around how you are feeling each day. You are more productive when you are ready to get specific things done, so why fight how you feel? Number 15. Start with the end in mind. If you think about how you want to feel when the day is over, and what you want to have accomplished, then this will help you prioritize what you should do that day. Asking yourself what really needs doing today really helps. Number 16. Get dressed for exercise. This is quick and easy when you are in a rush in the morning, and allows you to be ready for running around the house, errands, etc., and for that all-important exercise when you can fit it in. Number 17. Get dressed for your day as soon as you can. You will feel like you can tackle more when you feel good about how you are looking. Obviously ensure that you wear the right things for the day ahead, but making an effort with how you look will make all the difference. Number 18. Have a uniform. By this I mean that if you wear similar outfits each day you won't have to think as much about what to put on, and you can easily save time and hassle by doing so. Number 19. Exercise. Whether you have time for just a quick stretch, a 15-minute quick workout in the lounge, or something more substantial, exercise will keep your body and mind at its best, so you will be more productive during the day. Number 20. Chat with your children, partner, someone. Making time to talk to those we love can really help us tune into what's important in life, and makes mornings much more interesting. Much better than grunting at each other over the cereal. Number 21. Have a great breakfast. I find it really hard to eat first thing in the morning, But when I do eat, I know I feel great afterwards. You're fueling your body and mind for the day ahead. Use your freezer for quick breakfasts. For example, bag up some chopped fruit and veg for ready-to-make smoothies, make pancakes and freeze ready to heat up, us frozen fruit and microwave for drizzling over yogurt etc. Number 22, kettle boiling? Use the minutes for a quick chore. Put some laundry in the machine, unload the dishwasher, fold clothes on the dryer, whatever needs doing. Get at least one thing done in this time that would otherwise be wasted. As soon as you've done one thing, then you will feel more energized to get more done. Number 23, get dinner sorted. Take a look at your meal plan and do any prep you can ahead of time. There's nothing better than coming into the house after a day at work or doing other things and arriving to something easy to prepare. This may mean simply taking a meal you cooked last week out of the freezer so it's thawed for the evening, or you may be able to peel some veg in prep, or put things in the slow cooker. Number 24, do a 10-minute house scan. How many times during the day do you spot something that just needs to get done around the house? If you walk around your house for 10 minutes each morning, you should be able to spot all those little things and get them out of the way first thing. No more distractions, at least, for now. Number 25, give yourself a break. You can't do it all and no one really expects you to. Know that each day you will do what you can, and that's fantastic. If you start your day feeling exhausted by what you have to accomplish, you won't get anywhere fast. Take a few minutes each morning to tell yourself that you're doing great, and you'll immediately feel more empowered and ready to face the day ahead. If you liked the video, share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant updates.